In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now select Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, you can click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're done, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!